Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we'll be assembling this vehicle. So first of all, you want to take your clippers and clip away the sprues on the wheels that we're doing here now. Just clip that away step by step. Yep, so we're just clipping this away, and then we'll clip away the sprues on the propeller as well, and the little part to connect that to the car. Amphibious situation. Last but not least, let's cut away at this little thing. Alright, so the cutting away process is done. Now let's start to glue this all together. So just put a little bit of glue here. And then just make sure it's in the correct way. Facing back, the area where the propeller will go. Alright, so that is done. Just make sure that that's nice and glued. Put a little dab of glue here now. And then we're going to put this little part there. I'm taking the tweezers to help me get that part there. And then just put a little bit of glue here. And put this propeller there. Just put that right there where the glue is. Very good. Now, put glue in the axles so we can glue all these tires on all four there. And pretty simply, all we have to do is put the wheels and the axles. So just try to get the axle in the middle of the wheel there, like I'm doing. Doing the second wheel now. Third wheel. Last but not least, this one. Once you have those all in place, you're actually done. Last but not least, this all could be a waterline version too. But yep, that's it. Available at miniaturetanks.com.